All right, I know you saw the title. Hold on, let me explain. We're gonna get right into it of why this title was titled like that. So I got a few different reasons to make you think a little bit differently about how you get paid. So I'm not gonna waste any time. My name is Justin, Mr. CMB. We're gonna get right into it right now. Number one, you have bills coming in at different times of the month. So let's just think about this. You get paid once a month or twice a month, which is great. But let's say you have your car note, you have car insurance, you have rent or mortgage. If you have mortgage, then you have more expenses because you got to actually pay the water bill and things like that. Then you got your phone bill. Then you have groceries. Then you have food that you want to eat out with. Then you have a slew of other things. And these are the essentials that you need to leave. When you have a car, you need gas. Not to mention if you want to actually get some new clothes, you want to go out to eat, you want to have some leisure activity. Like, you got to understand, you have 2 transactions coming into your account and probably like 20, 30, 40, 50 going out at the end of the month. Not to mention subscription services that you have, because you probably have Netflix, Disney Plus, or one of these other joints that you don't really watch that much, Showtime or whatever. Then you have other subscriptions and you have all these transactions going out. That doesn't make sense to get paid one time or twice a month when you have all those other transactions. It just doesn't make sense. And that leads me to number 2. It doesn't make sense to get paid once a month. Why would you want to settle for once a month? See, one thing you got to understand, the psychology behind it. You've been taught your whole life, because especially if you had parents who just worked regular jobs, or everybody you knew who worked regular jobs, you're thinking that, oh, it's normal to be able to wait to get a check, wait to get money, wait and wait and wait and wait and wait and wait to get actually paid. When you got to understand, when it comes to like specific business, to a business, you can get paid every day. When it comes to, if you go to get something to eat from a restaurant, guess what? They're collecting money every single day. And that's what you need to transfer into your life. You need to transfer that mentality, is like, I need to make money every single day. Every single day. Granted, we have gig apps that can help you out with that, which is great. But you also have to think of other ways you need to make money every single day. You should not just wait to live your life around a piece of paper or just a direct deposit, because most of you are living your life around that 1 or 2 or direct deposits per month. If you're lucky, you get paid weekly, but still you're waiting till the end of the week. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and then once it's gone, or once it's like used up, then you're like, okay, I gotta wait a few more days to really do what I do. You're not really living. You're actually just like trying to rush life through to the next check, and you losing valuable time of your life just trying to speed it through or not do things, and you're compromising your most valuable asset, which is time, because you're waiting for money. Let me say that again. You're compromising your most valuable asset, which is time, because you're waiting for money. You should not be waiting for money. You should be getting paid every single day. It's not normal to not get paid every day. There's money moving in circulation in this economy, in this system, in this world every single day. And someone has your money in their pocket. Where you offer a service or a product or anything that people may need or want, you need to offer it to them. It doesn't make sense when you have so many transactions leaving your account and you literally are in the single digits per month of incoming transactions. That's not good. You should have incoming transactions come in as much as you have outgoing transactions, preferably more. I would say double or triple more than your outgoing transactions. That's what you really, really want, and that's what you need to do. And the thing is, you've been trained. Like I said, it's not normal, which is point number 3, which I said in between 1 and 2. It's not normal to not get paid every day. You need to switch your mind and understand that you can make money on your own. You can make money in some other way, shape, or form to supplement your income. You do not have to wait to get paid. It is a terrible feeling. I don't know anybody who likes the feeling of if they've used up money or spent money and they have to wait for like a week or a couple of days and do all these things. to just wait to get paid, to wait to be able to do something just regular. Like, you have to wait a week to pay a $300 bill. That's not normal. That's you being a scam as an adult. That's the real scam. You being broke as an adult is a scam. It's a big scam. You should not have to wait for a week for that. Like, that's ridiculous. And this is why I'm making this video, is because this is my message to you. You should not rely on that. You need to make money every single day. I don't care if it's 20, 30, 40, 50, $100 a day. Start somewhere, because you can always grow that up and scale it, right? Now let's get back to solutions. How can we mitigate that? One, like I always say on this channel, which is what I do, wholesale auction properties, because you can get large amounts of money in a short amount of time. You can match your salary, double, triple it easily within 1 year. It's nothing like, once you actually make like a 5-figure check on your own, or a 6-figure check on your own, it's really hard to go back to a weekly paycheck of maybe like $1,000. It's extremely hard, because your standard has just been raised. And this is not my quote, but this is a quote I've seen on, I think it's Economic Ninja, where it's like, he says, luxuries once tasted become necessities. And that's a very true thing. When you get used to something, you get used to it. You don't want to go back. And that's the whole point of me saying this. Another solution, make more money. Think about what you can do. And I have a few things. If you see in the bio, there's a few ways you can make money online right now. I have specific different products, things that I've personally used, I've personally sold, that you can go on and share with your audience today. And it's today, and start making some money right now. That's what you need to do. Okay. And also another point is, you need to utilize the American credit system. If you have bad credit, it's worth you to pay it to get fixed, or fix it yourself. Now, it takes a while. If you're fixing it yourself, I would suggest finding a professional to do it. I've done it before. I've done it twice, if you know what I mean, but you need to do it, because you need it. The whole point of the credit system is you're supposed to leverage credit into an income, and then use part of that income to pay back that credit. Now, it is a consumer good. You're going to use the credit to create a stream of income, use part of that income to put back and pay back that credit, and then use some of that income to enjoy your life. That's what you want to do, and use some of that income to buy other assets and scale up. The best thing, you know why people are running over here to America, crossing the border, leaving their families behind, damn near dying trying to get over here, is because we have an American credit system that's so generous that you can, if you have no credit score, if you have bad credit, you can repair it. And then within a year or 2 years or less, you can have a completely different life. If your credit's good right now, you could literally go get $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 right now. How come most people don't do that? Because they don't take advantage of the American credit system. Just having good credit and just having high limits of credit doesn't make sense if you're not doing anything with it. And I know people in my family who don't do anything with their good credit. It's completely pointless if you're not going to utilize it for a specific strategy. My first big credit card, which was $25,000 through Navy Federal, I invested most of that back into my business. And there's a few things I would have done different, but one thing I did was investing into my business, and I've made more money. I've made that back. Let's just say that I've made that back. And you just want to use the credit system to leverage it into an income so you can pay that back. And just wash, rinse, repeat. It's a cycle. There's no point of having good credit if you're not going to use it to set your family up, set yourself up, and just set yourself up with a new income stream. It just doesn't make sense at all. And so many people do it. They have good credit, scared to take risks because, one, they don't trust themselves, they don't trust who they are, and they're comfortable where they're at. They don't want to actually come up. They're comfortable. And that's fine. And that's why I do love the US of A, is because we have a credit system now. I hope this got your attention. I hope you got my points and really drill this in your head. Hope you don't get too offended by the title. If you do, then that's too bad. But I need to bring it to your attention that you cannot settle for mediocrity, not in this society. And I'll do another video as to why, if you have good credit, or even if you just never made an effort to make another income, why you're either going to have to do it, or you're going to be stuck in permanent poverty. All right. And that's another video. And if you want to wholesale and auction properties, click the link below. If you don't ever want to be a broke again and you want to make money within the next 8 days, click the link below. Get that. You need it. Because right now, I'm telling you all, this is a warning. If you're not moving forward and not growing, you're falling behind, and you're falling behind fast. Mr. CMB, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.